Once upon a time, there was a family that was admired by everyone in the world. They were known for their wealth, their power, and their influence. They seemed to be the epitome of success. And many people looked up to them as role models. The family consisted of a wealthy businessman, his wife, and their 2 children, a daughter and a son. The father had built his fortune from scratch, starting with a small business and growing it into a multinational empire. His wife was a former beauty queen who had used her charm and charisma to win over people from all walks of life. Their children were privileged and entitled. But they were also intelligent and ambitious, with bright futures ahead of them. For years, the family was celebrated and admired by the media and the public. They were photographed at glamorous events, interviewed on talk shows, and featured in magazines and newspapers. They were seen as successful, powerful, and above all, respectable. However, as time went on, rumors began to circulate about the family. Whispers of scandal and impropriety started to spread. And people began to question whether the family was really as admirable as they seemed. At first, the family denied the rumors and tried to brush them off as baseless gossip. But as more and more evidence came to light, it became clear that there was truth to the allegations. It turned out that the father had been involved in shady business dealings, using his power and influence to skirt the law and make huge profits at the expense of others. His wife had been engaging in extramarital affairs, using her beauty and status to seduce other men. Their daughter had been caught using drugs and partying with unsavory characters, while their son had been involved in illegal activities such as insider trading and money laundering. As the scandals continued to unfold, the family's reputation was irreparably damaged. People began to see them for what they really were, a corrupt and immoral family, whose wealth and power had been built on lies, deceit, and greed. Despite this, the family refused to take responsibility for their actions. They continued to deny the allegations and to blame others for their problems. They hired high-priced lawyers and publicists to try to salvage their reputation, but it was too late. The damage had been done, and the public's perception of them had changed forever. In the end, the family fell from grace in spectacular fashion. They lost their business, their wealth, and their status in society. They became pariahs, shunned by everyone who had once admired them. Their children's futures were ruined, and their legacy was forever tarnished by their crimes and immoralities. The lesson of the story is that no amount of wealth or power can make up for a lack of integrity and morality. In the end, the truth will always come out. And those who engage in unethical behavior will be held accountable for their actions.